Here, first I'll go to AutoCAD screen. So here you switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So go to limits, command is limits, lower left corner 0, 0, by default, upper right corner you take 297, 210. And command is zoom, enter, all enter. So go to line command, draw a horizontal line of some distance, and again from here you take the cursor to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse, and then you press enter key. Then go to offset, specify offset distance, you take 297. So we need to create a 4 size sheet, so 297 along this direction. So you take the vertical line and offset by 297 mm, and now then specify offset distance of 210, and you take 210, enter, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends, then zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet, set the radius as 0, and you click on this vertical line and this horizontal line. Again you click on this vertical line and this horizontal line. Again you click on this horizontal line and this vertical line. So now we will take zoom window and take the text, select this, select the specify height, so you take 4 mm and the rotation angle is 0, and type the problem number 32. A point capital R, a point capital R is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. In front of VP. Another point S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP, the distance between their projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of VP and HP is 50 mm. Find the distance between top views of point capital R and S. Now we go for how to construct this, how to solve this problem by using the AutoCAD software. Now we go for layer, so click on the new layer and put on the caps lock on, type XY, and then go to line weight and the default make it 0.13 and say OK, and then again click on layer 0 line default and make it 0.05 and say OK, and then close it. Now we'll go for line command, draw a horizontal line of some distance and go to offset, take the distance as 25, and then from here you take the distance as 20 on this side and go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this XY line, and then from here you take perpendicular to this. Then go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm and draw a vertical line, and then go to erase this line and also this line, and go to offset, take the distance as 30, you select this line and go to extend, select boundary edges, you select this as the boundary, enter, select object to extend, you select, and then go to erase and erase this. Now we go for break this line till here and select this line and go to change, CH, go to layer and take the XY layer, so that you are going to get 0.13 as the line thickness. Then you just go to do nut, go to center inside diameter of donut as 0 and the outside diameter as 3, specify center point of donut, you take endpoint of this and take endpoint of this and take endpoint of this line and take endpoint of this. Then come down to DDIM, go to modify and go to primary units, make it 0 as the precision. Go to text, align with dimension line. Text height you take it as 4. You take this as above vertical and offset from the dimension line as 3. And go to symbols and arrows, make the arrow size as 4 and click on lines and make the offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and close it. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and offset, take it as 25 and similarly dim vertical, enter, select object to dimension, you select this line and you take it 20 mm. Similarly, you select this line from here, you take it as 30, then dim horizontal, you take center of this and take center of this. So you're going to get it as 50 mm and go to D-text, zoom previous, then go to D-text, put the caps lock on X and this is Y. Similarly, you put the caps lock off and mark this point as S dash and you mark this point as S. Similarly, you mark this point as R dash and you mark this point as R. Then go to zoom window, then switch off the ortho mode, then go to move and place it wherever you want here. And similarly in this, yes, so here it is S dash, here it is R, here it is R dash. Then go to dim, align, go to center of this and center of this and take this text and make that as 0. So here enter and place it wherever you want and here you mark this as D text and for L equals question mark and then go to rotate this, enter, specify base point and there you make a rotation with reference to this and then move it. So you make the question mark and now this is how we will be able to draw the drawing. Now we will go for answer. So now we go for DDIM. So go to distance, go to center of this, check the dimension of this, center of this. So here which will be 70.71. Therefore the answer here you write, go to answer L equals 70.71 mm. So this is how you will be able to write this answer by using AutoCAD. And go to save, go to drive, particular drive and say P32 and save it and then